Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something pretty simple. My dad has a Mercedes Benz, and his key, the battery is getting pretty low on it. I guess it's not really, the lights that is on it is kind of light, and it's not responding as well. So he has to be closer to the car in order for it to open. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to shoot a quick video on just replacing the battery. It's pretty simple, but unless you know how to do it, it can be complicated. So that's going to be today's video. All right, so this is the key for the Mercedes. The first thing that you're going to do is a little switch that's over here. You're going to just slide that, pull out the key that's in here. This key is for, I guess, if your car battery dies, you can unlock the trunk and you can unlock the doors. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to take the same key. There's a little, on this side, there's a little hole there that you just stick that key. Once you stick that key in, that cover will pop up. You remove the cover, take the key out. The key is this was a Duracell, so this one is CR2025. I think they might be CR2025 if it's not a Duracell. So we have some of the batteries here, and we're going to be replacing that. This one says CR2025. So we're going to be putting that in here, and from there, it slides in from the back side, from down here towards the narrow end of the key, and just push down on it. It'll click, and just put everything back, and that should be it. That's all you need in order to replace the battery. So it's pretty simple once you know how to do it. So just going over again, just take out the emergency key or this physical key, put that on this side, push in, and it pops that lid, and that's where your battery's at. So that's how you replace a battery on a Mercedes. Thanks for watching. If you guys need any more info, you can go ahead and just comment. Please, if you like the video and any other videos you want to take a look at, you can request. But please like, subscribe. And I want to thank all my subscribers that are on there now for supporting my channel. So I just want to say thanks, and I'll see you at the next video.